Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial on the help menu in Act. The help menu gives you a lot of options, gives you a lot of information, but probably the most important piece of information you'll take away from that is it tells you what version of Act you have. So I've sort of jumped into this at the beginning of this tutorial by showing you what you will see when you start looking at the help menu. In this particular example, you're seeing the version, which is right up at the top, Act Premium version 21.1. There's some additional numbers, update 3, and it tells me how many licenses and whether or not tables are enabled. So it just gives me some insights into the information. I'm also going to be able to scroll down, click on database information to see where the database is located, and some additional information here as well. But the majority of you, will look at this just frankly to find out what version of the software you have. So I wanted to jump right to that at the beginning of this tutorial, and I'll show you how to get there as we get into this a little bit more. To view the help menu, you're going to simply click on Help, and these are all your options. You can get some help by pressing F1, or some online support as well. You can chat with a rep. You can deal with knowledge base articles, service and support. You can see the online community and also learn about Act Consulting. There's a setup assistant. There's online manuals. There's feature tours. Act notifications, that's something that you probably don't necessarily need, but you can turn on and off. It just tells you when there's new updates. My general rule of thumb is when there's new updates, don't update automatically. Let them get out for a little while. We have a product enhancement program where you can give feedback. And right here where it says Register Act, if you're new to Act and you're trying to register your software within the first 30 days of owning it, then you can register it right here. But the key point, and what I started with at the beginning of this, is the About Act. And once you see that information, that's the information I shared with you at the beginning of the tutorial. So the help area has a lot of information that you might find useful, and that's why I want to go over that with you. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for your time. Have a great deal. Have a great day. Bye now.